Follow me, Dumela. I want to take you to another manufacturer that's also doing some innovative stuff in big industry. His name is Chris Schiphol, and they are part of Masslift Africa. So this is a forklift, and it's not your conventional forklift, Dumela. This is one that is fully electrical, and Chris Schiphol, who's the expert, will tell us a little bit about it and why it's so important. A very good morning to you, Chris. Thank you for joining us on ENCA. Tell us a little bit about this forklift and how it's so different and innovative in the big manufacturing industry.
Oh yeah, well, for sure. Obviously, we are brand Mitsubishi, where reliability is everything. So in terms of guys out there looking for something to sort of last and work well with the company and have a company to partner up with them, I think Mitsubishi and Masslift Africa is a great asset for another company to have. We strive mainly on our service excellence, even though our machine is fantastic. Service excellence, that's something we strive ourselves upon. In terms of our machine, on that service excellence side, we like to push the safety with our company. We've got buzzers and 3 different points in the machine because the electric machine is a lot more quiet than a diesel machine. Yeah. So safety is quite important. We've got blue lights on the machine so the guys sort of know where the machine is at all times. Got the hooters so they can hear where it is. This machine here, in terms of the brilliant side of us with the innovation coming in, we've got simple features like regeneration of energy. So the guys get the maximum longevity out of their machines. You know, when you've got an 8-hour shift and the battery hasn't charged to what it needed to be because of, call it, load shedding and things like that out there, our forklift literally regenerates energy, so you get that maximum usage out of the machine during your shifts.
Yeah, thank you very much, Chris. A very interesting piece of innovation, and I suppose it's great with diesel costs rising and so that you have businesses that can look towards a machine of this nature.
No, exactly, and if you look at how everyone in business is going now, they're sort of pushing onto that solar aspect. So you're basically getting your fuel up front for the machine, so minimizing your costs within your company. Going the electric route is definitely the way to go nowadays.
Brilliant. Thank you very much, Chris. That is Chris there from Masslift Africa joining us this morning to speak about their innovation at the manufacturing Indaba.